When you've spent years running conduit, troubleshooting control panels, and programming PLCs, the idea of sitting for a multiple-choice exam might feel unusual. But let's be clear, earning your red seal isn't about testing your memory. It's about validating your skills as an industrial electrician across Canada. This video is all about industrial electrician red seal exam preparation and how to set yourself up for success, step by step. The Red Seal exam is a national standard. It allows you to take your certification from province to province without having to requalify. It opens the door to better wages, leadership roles, and long-term job security. Now, what does the exam look like? You'll face around 100 to 150 multiple-choice questions, with 3.5 to 4 hours on the clock. You can expect a mix of theoretical and practical problem solving. That means blueprint reading, schematic interpretation, system analysis, safety procedures, and plenty of code-based thinking. Some questions may include diagrams. Others will put you in job site scenarios and ask what the safest or most efficient next step is. So, how should you approach industrial electrician Red Seal exam preparation? Start with a focused study schedule, 30 minutes a day, 4 or 5 days a week. Break your material into manageable sections. Cover topics like transformers, motors, programmable logic controllers, instrumentation, and the Canadian electrical code. Then rotate between reading, problem solving, and self-testing. If you're looking for tools to help structure your prep, head over to redsealstudyguide.ca. You'll find downloadable Q&A books made specifically for trades like yours. We also offer explanation-style versions for learners who benefit from seeing the reasoning behind each answer. And when you're ready to test your timing, use our online time tests. They simulate the real exam experience right from your device. Here's the thing. Studying doesn't have to mean sitting at a desk for hours. Use your phone on breaks. Review flashcards during your commute. Get your study time in whenever you can. Consistency is more important than cramming. And if you're worried about being out of practice, don't be. Many of the folks preparing for this exam haven't written a test in years. Others are newcomers to Canada, or workers changing provinces or positions. You're not alone. That's why our study tools at redsealstudyguide.ca are designed for real people with real jobs. No shipping, no waiting, just instant access PDFs you can use at home, on site, or anywhere in between. As an industrial electrician, you've already built a solid career. The Red Seal is your opportunity to take that career further. Whether you want to supervise, consult, teach, or simply earn more for your work, it's a smart step forward. You've done the hard part, learning the trade. Now it's time to prove it on paper. And trust me, when you walk out of that exam room knowing you've passed, it's one of the most rewarding moments in your career. So let's get you there. Because the future you're building, it starts with the right prep today.